Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking off the knuckles on the front of my 240 coupe. Yeah, she's just sitting here sad. So we're going to take off the front knuckles and we're going to send them over to the villains and let them mod them up and send them out to lucky customer. Eventually, once I get that car running again, I'll probably go ahead and order a kit up from them and get that going. But I have a new setup coming this weekend for the front end of the hatch, and so at that point I will be going ahead and sending out that front end as well to them, more than likely to get modified so that I can go ahead and put that on the coupe when it gets done. Anyway, on to the fun stuff. Alright, status report. So I got one down. Sweet. Alright, on to the other side, and we'll see what we can get done. Anyway. And just like that, the knuckles are out. Gonna get these bad boys packaged up, ready to go off to the villains out in Walla Walla. And yeah, hopefully whoever gets these is able to get some mad angle. All right, take it easy, guys.